Hello. Why are there no Vegemite flavoured Chupa Chups? That is the question we should all be asking. What a great idea. Launch a new YouTube channel and they get thoroughly distracted. Whoops. I have actually done a couple of videos. I just haven't put them on Facebook or anything. So go check out that channel. In fact, one of them I haven't even made public. It's very weird, the fact that I'm so distracted. I'm sure you've all heard the news. Yes. I have a girlfriend. So, as I was sort of pottering around my house, I realised I have bongo drums, I have a bass guitar, I don't have the amp, but I have a bass that I need to get back into learning. I need to start a band of some description. I think it's going to be a cover band. We only do ballads, and it's going to be called All the Sugars in the Real Fields. I think that's an excellent idea. Yeah. I just need some talented musicians. Maybe people who can sing. So what we have here is a problem, which I plan to rectify. I need to get back on track with the channel. More podcasts. For that, I would like people to jump in. More videos. That's Josh and me. Anyone else wants to join in, we're cool. But what I want is to be a little more focused, a little less crazy. I don't see that happening. I'm having way too much fun. So, Team Wing It will not have the same schedule that Morgan's Meltdown had. It's getting windy as fuck out here. Everything is shaking. Hey. Come on. Up. Hey. Mary. Oh, look at the Mary. I got the Mary too. I got the Mary. Hello. No, don't eat the bongos. So, this weekend, I have Josh and we are looking after my friend Viv's dogs. Adorable little critters they are. I have shoes bigger than them, but you know what? They're okay for 2 nights. Then, the weekend after that, I have 2 wrestling shows, which I talked about on a previous episode and never fucking released. I made it public and nobody fucking saw them because nobody went to the channel. Because it happens. So, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. All the social medias. The podcast is on Apple Podcast and Spotify. Just remember the underscores.